Are you ready to unleash your creativity and add unique paintbrush effects to your digital artwork? In this tutorial, we will show you how to create custom paintbrush in Photopea, a versatile and powerful online editing tool. The brush tool in Photopea is not limited to just basic brush strokes. With a few simple adjustments, you can create custom paintbrush effects that will elevate your artwork to a whole new level. So without further ado, let's get started. To access the paintbrush tool, you can access it from the left side of your toolbar. Here you can select this one, or you can press B from your keyboard to access the paintbrush. Now to create a custom paintbrush, first let's go to the file and create a new one. Here select this YouTube profile or the Instagram. Just double click on it. Here just create a copy of this background layer. Now let's start creating our own custom paintbrush. For that you can see on the top, here you can select the pre-made brushes from here. A simple stroke from this one. You can increase its size or increase its hardness. If I decrease the hardness to about 32%, you see the edges of the brushes are not that crisp. Let's increase the hardness for now and delete these. And now let's start making our own custom brush. For that I'll use the simple round. And increase its size to about 20. I will draw one dot here. And some random dots on the canvas. You can be creative and create whatever you like. You can use these different brushes from here. You can select the hardness or the flow or the opacity from here. And now once you're happy with it, now select the selection tool, go to the edit. Here on the define new, just select the brush. Now you can see on top the brush is added. Now to access the brush, just click on the brush tool. Here scroll down and select your brush. You see if I click on here, I can add the brush without making all of these adjustments. Now let's go to the other picture as well. Let's decrease its size to about 135. Here if I click it, you see the brush is added to my artboard. I can increase its size. And if I have to make the stroke from it, if I just click and drag, this will create a stroke. Now let's get creative and let me show you how you can make some more adjustment with this. Here on the right, you can see there's an option for the brush panel. Just click on it, or you can also select the window and then select brush. Here there are some of the options that you can choose from. Let's select the tip dynamic. Here if I increase the jitter size, there are some changes made due to the brush. You can also add the diameter. You can see there are some changes to it. You can increase the scatter. In the bottom you can preview it. If I increase the scatter, this is just like this one. If I decrease it, let's decrease it to about 26%. The count is 6 is okay. And just like that, you see that direction is moving from this side to this here. Turn off this option and then select the color dynamics. In the bottom you can see there's a shift in the color. And with this you can create some custom brushes with some custom colors. You can increase or decrease the saturation. If I zoom in, you can see there's a difference in the brush color. You can increase or decrease the brightness. Here on the transfer, you can increase the flow. You can increase the opacity or decrease the opacity flow from this one. And just like that. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brush settings such as scattering, spacing, and shape dynamics. These options allow you to add randomness and variations to your brush strokes, resulting in a unique and organic effect. With custom paintbrush effect, you have a freedom to express your artistic vision and create an artwork that is truly one of a kind. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.